So guys, we have a property on Cavaches for you today on the main road, and the shops are just up there. So I'm going to take you inside and we'll have a look around. You have got off-road parking just down here. So I'm just inside the gate, and that way is down to the pool area. And you have got a lot of established plants and trees in this garden. Got these nice decorative stone leading up to the D section. So going up the stairs here, you have a decorative balustrade, and just here you have this D section. Now on the D section, it's lovely. I love a D section that's open to the elements, I got to say, because it doesn't get that cold here, and you can watch the people go by, you know. Really lovely, sun shining in. What more do you want? So let's go inside. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Look at this. Now I can see what they've done here. Oh, sorry about that. I'll just come over down to this angle down here, showed you the house at a different angle. Now this is a Neptune, and normally there you have an archway and then another wall there. They've knocked that down and made it more open plan. You got lovely chandeliers up there, beautiful large living room. And you got fabulous feature fireplace. So really lovely open space living room. I'm going to take you through the archway, guys, and we're going to have a look at the 2 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. Now of course in here is your master bedroom with ceiling light and fan, blackout blinds and insect screens on the windows. Just pan around a bit. That archway leads to the bathroom. So I'm going to take you in there. So you got double wardrobes and a single wardrobe in there. If you see a bit of flicking, it's just my camera against the lights. So this is a fully tiled bathroom suite. It has a bath, a shower attachment. You got the WC, the bidet, and the vanity unit here. Really large ensuite bathroom, and you have your frosted glass window. Okay, just pan around for you. You've got your shaving socket, and you have a socket over the door if you wanted to put a heater in here, overhead heater, you know. So switch those lights off there as we go. Now, just through here is the guest shower room. Okay, so again you have a WC, a vanity unit, and the shower just in there. And just in here would be your guest room. You got double wardrobes with overhead storage, beautiful chandelier, lovely big large bedroom again. Just gonna come around for you guys. Really nice. So let's go back through this beautiful living room here. Look at this, really nice. And I'm so privileged to get to see so many beautiful homes. And just here they are the swivel doors, but they remind me of the old cowboy movies. Showing my age now. So just in here you have your kitchen, plenty of top and base units. You have granite effect worktop, electric hob and electric oven. Okay, that door leads to upstairs box. Now this house is quite big. Just here you have this lovely terrace, which is totally unusual. You don't normally have this with the Neptunos. And down below we've got a beautiful apartment. but I'm going to take you up to the top box. I believe this is a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house. So we'll have a look upstairs now. Now this is one of those that you can go around the corner to the terrace, but we're going in this way through the front door. So you've got a large bedroom here, as you can see. Really nice, and you have an ensuite. You've got your chandelier above, and we'll have a look inside. So just inside you have your vanity unit. You have a sink inset into marble stone there. You have your WC and a bidet. You've also got a bath here with a shower attachment. This bathroom is fully tiled from ceiling to floor. Got a frosted glass window there as well, and a nice mirror over the sink. You've got your shaving socket and switches as well. You got double wardrobes there, his and hers, with overhead storage. And just out here you have got your terrace. Bit of a washing line there, but there is just needs a little tidy up. You got the seeds from the palm trees, and you are on the main drag to the golf club here. If I show you down there. So I'll go back downstairs now. Going to take you down and around, and we'll see the apartment downstairs. Now we're back down where the kitchen is, the entrance into the kitchen, and we're going further down the next lot of steps. And you have got raised flower beds here around the border of the property. And you have the pool area. I'm just going to come over here and pan around so you can get a good idea of this property here. It's quite large. When those beds are around the pool area, you've got a nice sheltered area. You've got your pergola there with an outside table for dining, and you put a cover over that, gives you a nice shade. So the outside space is absolutely lovely here. Okay. You just have to use your imagination when the beds are all set out and that, you know. So that's the pool there, and you've got a table there, so you can sit there and have a beer while you're in the pool. I'm going to walk down this area here. Got another side table there, and just here it takes you into the apartment. You have an overhead light as well. So let's go inside. So inside the apartment is quite nice. This is a nice holiday apartment for extra family or friends, or a potential Airbnb if you wanted to do that. You've got a dining room area and dining section. You've got aircon just up there, and you've got spotlights as well. I'll just put them on just to show you. But it doesn't make much difference because it's quite bright down here. So just in here is your shower room. Nice big shower there. Large bathroom, frosted glass window with spotlights, vanity unit, and your WC. I'll just come in here and pan around for you, so you can get a feel for the room. Okay, so this is the apartment downstairs. It's quite large, Really nicely done as well. You've got the corridor up here to the bedrooms. You have got a step up, 2 steps up into a small bedroom. You've got your window there and the bedroom. It's a double bedroom and you have some storage just in there. A window here, and they've just kept all their cushions and that in here, but you could make it a walk-in wardrobe. Okay, so let's go and have a look in the next bedroom. So I'll just show you the step here, a bit more detail. So you've got 2 steps or 1 step down. Okay. Now just off this bedroom is the kitchen. We'll have a quick look at that now because I'm going to show you the other bedrooms first. So just in here is another bedroom. It's another double bedroom. It's got a window there. Big double bedroom as well. And you've got your wardrobe. Just in here is another bedroom, could be child's room if you like. You've got 2 windows in here and they open up. And your double wardrobe. Alright. So I'll take you into the kitchen now. This is quite a substantial apartment, I've got to say. You have 3 bedrooms down here, large shower room, living room, dining room and kitchen. So it's quite a big apartment. And again, up above you got your spotlights. I'll pan around for you. Really large. And you have got a door behind there which has storage, but it's literally just storage. So I'll take you out the back way. So this has its own back and front door to this apartment. So this parking is just for 1 car, and it brings you back to the front of the house. Double gates. And this is the house. And this is still quite a quaint little fishing port here. Down in Isla Plana and along the port area. It's really beautiful. I love the smell of the sea.